Hello, my name is Andrew Alvarez, and I observed, a place called the Youth Learning Center, or the YLC. The YLC is located in Florissant, Missouri, near my house. Um, these kids come from any different schools. Some of them came from St. Norbert. Some of them came. It's private and public are welcome. So St. Norbert's, uh, not St. Andrews, St. Andrews School, sorry, Sacred Heart, Combs Middle, no, Combs Grade School, sorry. What else? The Ferguson Florissant District, pretty much anywhere from there. And the ranges of classes are about first grade to eighth grade. Uh, in this center, there is a playground. Sorry, just looking at my notes. A decent sized gym and a baseball softball diamond. The place itself has, besides the sporting places, it has 8 rooms where the students can put their book bags away. There's tables so they can do their homework. There's an arts and crafts room. There's also a computer lab with about 20 computers in the lab, with each room having about 4 other computers, so that they can all do their homework. If there's any questions, they have any problems that the counselors can't help them with, or that the volunteers can't help them with, they can just look it up themselves, to a point that it's not like something bad, of course. Sorry, just looking at my notes. They come from straight from school, either from the buses that they get dropped off at, or sometimes the parents say if they pick their kids up from school but they still have to go back to work, they drop them off there. The place is open from 3:30 till about 7. The things that I did. So each day is different. At first they come in, put their stuff down. They have a little lunch, not a little lunch, sorry. They have a little snack, and most of the time they eat the snack, do that, and then they go straight to the homework. And then after that, sometimes they do more stuff. Sometimes they do, like I explained in my paper, that they have schoolwork or their own homework that they have to do there, or other days where they call it sports days, that they go to the diamond, they play on the gym, they go to the playground, weather permitting, um, and they do that. So each day is different. So even with the sports days, the sport days are different also. So I only got able to go to 2 sports days. One of them was volleyball. One of them was soccer. Most of the kids knew how to play soccer. They had the older kids, about fifth grade to eighth grade, knew what they were doing. Back, they had a little struggle. It was different sections, so the better people were in one section, while the other ones that were struggling were in another section. I was in the struggling group, and it was pretty much taking them one by one, and we had set up cones, and you literally just dribble. We had them dribble around, and they were just like, I was just telling them, left foot, right foot, 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 while they turned and then did the back. For shooting, they did kicking and shooting, passing and shooting. The little ones did perfectly fine with the passing, perfectly fine for the shooting. And then each of them, there's a net, like a divider net, that they divided the gym so they weren't getting in each other's way, and then each section played a little soccer game. My side did okay. I mean, like I said, they had a little trouble. It was more just a kick and chase type of day, nothing really bad. What else? Well, then I went to the other side just to watch, and there was still a little kick and chase. Some of them didn't know what they were doing to a point, but since they were older, they stayed over there just because they were bigger. And then for the second day, sports day that I went to, they did volleyball. Same idea. They divided it up. There were more people who really didn't know how to do it, so. And then they asked me to help a little bit more, since I knew a little bit more about volleyball. I know a little bit more about soccer and volleyball because I played both in high school. Um, So I taught them how to set properly by using the triangle, and then how to bump properly, and then how to spike. It was just your basics type of thing. Um, they also did a game, and the rules changed. For the other side, the when I was in the lower section of them, they didn't know what they were doing, so we helped them out. We used a softer volleyball so that each kid can hit it in case they miss it and stuff like that when it comes over, or that it can be one bounce, however many bounces. They just can't pick it up and throw it over. For the other side, they knew what they were doing, and they were using a softer. They weren't using a soft volleyball. They were using like a regulation soft volleyball, like the Volley Lights, for their game. So overall, it was a good place. I think if I was there when I was little, I think I would have had a blast. And overall, I enjoyed it. The people that were there, that I helped, that the kids that no, sorry, the kids that I helped enjoyed it. The counselors helped that I was there, and that I we all had a good time. And yeah, that's about it.